you please the audience? Tell us what's your name? Mio. Okay, Mio. Let us start with the friendly part of this part just like this. Put your hands on the back, and then give a good clap down on his back. Alright. Now tell me, Mio. Is this nice? Is it nice? Alright. So are you excited? Who's with you, ma'am? Sino kasama mo nila? Your boyfriend. Say hi, we're going to should have met you. Alright. Okay, since that you are a new friend of Early, she would like to give you a very special treat. And you know what's a special treat? You have any idea? It's a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. So, Mami, are you excited to kiss? Okay, before you do it, I will show you how it's done first. Just offer your cheek like this, and Early will give you a very special kiss like this. Okay, here I want you to move right here. Here na, then offer your cheek. And then, offer your cheek, kiss, and hold it. Wow, that was a juicy one. So tell me, ma'am, did you like it? Did you like it? Okay, we're gonna put this way. If you're going to rate Early's kiss scale of 1 to 10, with that being the best kiss that you ever had, what will it be? Rate mo yung kiss niya, 1 to 10. Ilan? 10! Perfect score! Good job, Early! And that means that Early's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss. So, special someone's guy? Okay, sir. Early has a message for you. One more. And Beto po. And of course, ang mga nagkita sa folks, have a big round of applause for our lucky guest from you. You may take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much, ma'am. Early, you may go back to Officer Blue. There you go. To stay safe, the Rainbow always likes to compete an exciting contest of strength and agility. And that is the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. Again, I am looking for another volunteer from your audience who wants to compete or challenge our current champion. But this time, I need an adult male. There you are, sir. Raise your hand, come here. Wow. So, folks, have a big round of applause for our brave volunteer, come on. There you go. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. What is your name? Andre. So, Andre, are you ready to show us what a hard body you are? Yes, of course. And do you know what you volunteered for?